Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by grabbing the exact YouTube URL you want in your Instagram bio. This is the how. Copy the video or channel link, then make it tidy. Shortened links look cleaner and reduce character clutter. Once done, prepare a compact call to action phrase because people skim bios fast. Make sure to choose wording that explains why they should click, watch now, or new video, so the link converts. This sets you up to paste the right link and prompt into Instagram quickly. Now you edit your Instagram bio to place that YouTube link where people will see it. This is the what and why. Open Edit Profile, tap Bio, then paste the cleaned link. Once pasted, add your call to action text nearby so users know what happens when they tap. If needed, use an emoji or line break for emphasis. Make sure the bio remains concise because Instagram allows 150 characters. Finally, preview how it appears on mobile to confirm the link is visible and readable. Finish by saving your bio edits and testing the link immediately. This confirms users will reach your YouTube content. Tap the bio link yourself. If it doesn't open, recopy without extra spaces, try a different shortener, or test on another device because sometimes caches or app versions block redirects. Once verified, use posts and stories to tell followers the link is in your bio so traffic sees it. If you rotate videos often, swap the bio link when you publish new content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.